Hey guys, welcome back to channel. Today I will show you a quick and easy way to convert any video file into an audio format. So let's get started. First go to your web browser. You can use same steps on your mobile also. So first go to your web browser and search video to audio and open first website, which is www.freeconvert.com. Now here select any file you want to convert. So I am selecting this video. Now click on convert. Wait for it to upload, and after uploading it will start converting this video to audio. As you can see, the conversion is complete now. Now to download, you need to click on download button and just save it. That's it. You have successfully converted your video file to audio using freeconvert.com. Thank you.